Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to obtain a jackalope in a Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest update. Okay guys, this is one of the pets from the Fall Harvest world in Grow Garden 2. And if you want to obtain the jackalope, you can go to this menu and you need to purchase the exclusive fall egg. And from the exclusive fall egg, you'll have 50% chance of hatching this jackalope. And from the information that I got, the jackalope has ability to bound around your garden and boost your walk speed. So basically, it's like the bunny in Grow a Garden to Garden Valley. So it can help you to walk faster in this game. Yeah, I think it's worth, but as you can see here, guys, that to get the exclusive fall egg, we need Robux. Yeah, but if you have a lot of Robux, this egg is really worth to try because you have chance to get Kitsune. Okay guys, and that's all about the Jackalope in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!